Hello, today we are going to talk about the neuro-symbolic pivot and why pure generative AI is unsafe for the enterprise. The vibe check era of AI is ending. For the last few years, enterprise AI strategy was guided by a dangerous metric, fluency. If the chatbot sounded confident, we assumed it was correct. If the output looked clean, we assumed it was reliable. We confused eloquence with logic. In 2026, that confusion is no longer theoretical, it's a liability. Recent research from Apple and Google DeepMind has confirmed what senior engineers have suspected for months. Large language models do not reason. They are probabilistic pattern matchers, not logical engines. For creative use cases, probability is fine. For banks, governments, or software platforms, it's a structural risk. The next phase of AI industrialization isn't about bigger models, it's about neuro-symbolic architectures, systems that combine neural creativity with symbolic logic. In late 2024, Apple published a paper that should have alarmed every CTO building on pure LLMs. Researchers gave models standard math problems. They performed well. Then they changed the names and numbers, not the logic. Performance collapsed. On the GSM-Symbolic benchmark, models failed when irrelevant clauses were added or values shifted. Apple's conclusion was blunt: LLMs perform approximate retrieval, not true reasoning. The fix is a neuro-symbolic hybrid, often explained using Daniel Kahneman's framework. System 1 is the LLM, fast, intuitive, creative, and prone to hallucination. System 2 is the symbolic engine, slow, deterministic, and verifiable. Google DeepMind's Alpha Geometry 2 proved this works. A neural model suggested steps, but a symbolic engine verified every proof. The result wasn't vibes, it was correctness. This shift changes how enterprises must build. Prompt engineering is giving way to spec-driven development. You can't just connect data and hope for compliance. You need a logic core, a system that holds immutable truths like pricing rules, access controls, and regulatory constraints. Pure generative AI cannot be trusted with enterprise logic. Fluency is not correctness. Vibes are not verification. The future belongs to systems that can say no to the AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.